Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss about cross tab tool in Alteryx Designer. So this is at here Alteryx Designer, and here you can see this cross tab, and here this is about, so it's used to do the pivoting operation on the table or the file. So here it can convert to horizontal axis and summarize selected data, vertical data into horizontal. So let's understand by example. So first I'm going to drag input data, and here going to select the files. So here let's click on file. Here you can select this kind of file. So I'm going to use CSV and going to use file 1. So this is the record inside the file 1. So here I'm going to convert this dname block in rows, and here this value is going to convert into the according New York research tell us into the columns. So we can easily do that by using add here cross tab. Let's drag this link, and hereafter stabilize the link, and hereafter report and report text, and here you can select this option, and here you can use this. So at least one cross tab method must be selected. So here you can select many, and here method for aggregated, so you can use this. So let's use at here concatenate. Now here if I when I select this option or this option, so this at least one must be selected. You can scroll down here, this the size, this all those things. I didn't modify anything, this is the all default. Now let's run the workflow and check. So this is the incoming record. Okay, now when that check here, so here you can see 10 or that rows value it's come there, 10 20 it's come there, and here this is the displaying accounting. Now let's select this part, and here when I select 10 group data on this, now if I rerun, and here you can see this the incoming, and here so DPT number that I didn't change, so 10, here this value is 10, and accounting and research it's displaying so 10, and hereafter when I will do some modification once again. So here you can select DPT number dname, and here dname it's selected. Let's select location, and here you can again see this the this the differences come. So 10 in New York, and only New York is there. 20 has Dallas, and this comes inside research, and here this comes inside New York. So accounting only New York City it's come there. So this is at here location rows, and this accounting and research it was on rows. Now it's comes to columns. So this the use of at here this use of this transformation cross tab. So it's used to convert vertical to horizontal. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.